Hello students, good evening. Today in my new chapter of grammar in English, I am here to explain you some main and important point regarding your grammar. Today's topic I brought you syllable. Syllable is a grammar part of grammar. A syllable, as I have mentioned you here, a syllable is a part of word. Syllable is a part of word that contains sound, that is called phonemes. Phonemes of a bird. Phonemes of a bird means which contain vowels and consonant. Mainly syllables are known as the letter vowels A, E, I, O and U. Okay. And how many vowels are in that particular word is called the diphthong. Diphthong means a word which we are going to divide in syllable. How many vowels are there in that particular word? It usually has a vowel in it. If syllable is also called a beat. Beat means sometimes you have heard so many songs, rhymes, techniques and tune. In the same way, a bird has a beat. Sometimes we raise the sound and sometimes we fall the sound. Sometimes some of the given letters in that particular word are silent. And sometimes C is being called K and G is being called J. Means G and Ja. Means Ga and Ja. Ka and Sa in Hindi. In the same way, this is called the rule of the syllables. So how many kind of syllables it is given here? It is given here. There are 6 kind of syllables. You see, closed syllable, open syllable, vowel consonant E syllable, diphthong syllable or controlled syllable, consonant LE syllable. So these are the kind of or the type of syllables. Okay. So closed syllables, open syllable, vowel consonant syllable, diphthong or controlled syllable, consonant LE syllable. These are the types of our syllables. Now basic syllable rules. You see, basic syllable rules. Okay. Basic syllable rules means to find the number of syllables. To find the number of syllable. Count the vowel in the word. Divide between two middle consonant. Usually divide before a single middle consonant. Divide before the consonant before on LE syllable. Divide of any compound words, prefixes or suffixes which have vowel. Okay. In the same way, you can see I have given you some more examples regarding the. So first of all, you have to find out the number of syllables. As usual, I'm going to tell you that I have written beautiful. Okay, there I have written beautiful. So you see, there I have written beautiful. You see there, I have written beautiful, and in that particular way of writing beautiful, you will find that this is the beautiful. Okay, and now you count, you divide the all these three words BEB, UTI, UT and FUL, full, beautiful. Then you will find there are how many vowel letters. So you will find 1, 2, 3, 4. So E came one time, U came two time, and I came one time. So there will be 3 syllable. Okay, S T F L. So you take here T is in the middle of the beautiful. T is controlled by U and I. Then SE is equal one vowel, one consonant. In the middle of the UT, it means U and I control T. So it will be counted only one vowel and full. So there is a one vowel in that particular word full. So it is counted 3 syllable. B beautiful means UTI controlled by U and I. So only one vowel will be counted here, U or I. So there is BE, one vowel, one consonant, UTI, one vowel, one consonant, and full, one vowel and one consonant. So in this particular way, when you divide this word beautiful, then it will be adjoined and called beautiful. It is called a 3 syllable word. Now you see the cry. I have written here CRI cry and CRY cry. So means by is giving here the sound of. Y is giving here the sound of. Y is giving the sound of I here. Okay. So by had changed here into I. So cry here it means CRI. So it is one syllable word. We cannot divide all these 3 letters into different particular word. So it is called a one syllable word. Means cry. So R would be silent here. Cry. So C and I. So one syllable word it is called. Now you see the 2 syllable word hostel. HOS one syllable and TEL one syllable. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 syllable. Hostel has the 2 syllable word. Now you go to 4 syllable word. I have written here education. In Hindi also I have written that is very important for you to know. You see there education. Okay. EDU ju, CAK and TION sun. So education. It has here 4 syllable. E will be single one word or single one consonant letter, and you see do, du, ju, c-a-k, and t-i-o-n, sun, e-ju-k, sun. So it has 4 syllables of word. Okay, now you see the 3 syllable word also, department, d1, part 2, and ment 3. So de, there is c and v, yani c means consonant, v means vowel. Part, it has divided into 2 part, p consonant and a vowel. Ment, m consonant and e vowel. So it has also 3 part, department. So it has 3 syllable word. Okay, so in this way only I would like to say you that there are some rules regarding the basics of the phonemes. It is the part of phonetics, and when you go to study the English phonemes or the diphthongs or the phonetics. Phonetics means how we pronounce the word. It is very simple, but the rule of this you have to go through the rule of the basic rules of the syllables. Syllables means uh, is a part of word which contain vowel and consonant. In that particular word you have to find out the vowels. Without vowels, in Hindi you can say that means no one such a word can be made without the help of vowels. So vowel is very important to build a word. So in the same way in English, vowels play very important role to build any word or a meaningful word. So in this way we have to go to check out it by taking the help of syllabus. Okay, so in that particular part it is very simple. I have started you to take you in a comprehensive chapter. After that I will tell you how to tell the consonant and vowel letter in that particular word in my next chapter. um, it is very interesting go to make such some more syllables, one word syllable, two word syllable, three word syllable, and four word syllables, and also try for fifth and sixth word syllable. That will help you to understand what is syllable and what is the syllable rules. So it is enough for today. And my next topic it will be continue, and I will tell you how to find out consonant and vowels in that particular word of this syllable, and you will get it and go through it. So that's all for today. Wait the next video related topic, and comment me if you have any queries regarding the particular matter that I have taught you just now, and enjoy it. Thanks for the day. Have a good day. Have a night.